to News Acharya. This is Sakina Fatima from AITS, bringing you the latest updates from Acharya Institutes. AIT Civil Engineering students land top placements. 20 students from AIT's 2024 Civil Engineering class have secured prestigious placements, 16 with ACC Cements, Adani Group, and 4 with Shree Cement. This highlights their success and readiness for careers in construction and infrastructure. Blood donation camp unites Bengaluru. Srimati Nagarnama College of Nursing conducted a blood donation camp at the ANR Auditorium in Bengaluru in collaboration with the Bangalore Medical Services Trust. The event, graced by Chief Guest Professor Devi Nanjappan, saw a strong turnout, uniting individuals from diverse backgrounds in support of this vital cause. Acharya Institute partners with LinkedIn Learning. Acharya Institute proudly announces its collaboration with LinkedIn, learning to empower students with access to over 16,000 expert-led courses. This partnership provides personalized learning, certification opportunities, and skill development, ensuring students excel academically and professionally in a competitive job market. Uzbekistan Ambassador visits Acharya. H.E. Mr. Sardor Rustambaev, Ambassador of Uzbekistan, and Lieutenant Colonel Mohammad Uzbekistan, Defense Attaché and Political Counselor, visited Acharya Institutes. Their tour included the campus labs, library, and hostel, showcasing the institute's facilities and academic environment. Acharya MBA student wins MLB's India's longest hitter of baseball. Acharya MBA student Mr. Darshan achieved remarkable success by winning the title of India's longest hitter of baseball in an MLB organized competition. His outstanding performance earned him a prestigious cash prize of 15 lakhs. For more educational updates about Acharya, keep watching News Acharya.